Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today I wanted to talk about the new version of Hermes. As you know, Hermes gets updated. In fact, this agent, the company, so us, the search team, they release updates almost every week. But be careful, these updates are very important and we should update our server. So for example, if I take 2 days ago, they released version 0.12.8. Here, in fact, they fixed actually a little bit of the slowness issue with WhatsApp, because Hermes actually can be used with several tools or communication systems like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, and you can send a message for Hermes to execute those messages. And here we can see that, there you go, they fixed some errors related to WhatsApp's slowness. So be careful. When you install Hermes and only use the connection with Telegram or WhatsApp, honestly, you lose a lot of other features. That's why whenever you install Hermes, you always install it with the Web UI version. This version includes the classic Hermes inside, but on top of that, it actually gives you access to other features, and you can use Hermes in a much more flexible way. You can really set up scenarios and work in a very easy manner. It's not with interfaces that sometimes require command lines or just sending it a message and an instruction. Let me show you a little interface like this, a small but interesting interface. Here, I'm on the web version of Hermes. I'll show you how to install it later on. With this one, I can actually manage all the skills. I can work on profits, work on projects, and take notes. And this is actually a system that gives me what are called hard drive spaces, and I can perform operations in a much simpler and more useful way. So, with this interface, when I click here, as you'll see in the system, it actually shows me the versions I have. So, by the way, I need to update the agent version, and I also need to update the web version, because even this version, this layer, actually gets updates as well. As you can see here, it's version 0.52. Let me check. So for me, I think I have the very latest version. No, I have 2.0.51, so I need to update. And what's new in the web interface? They actually fixed some gateway issues. So the gateway issues, because every time I open my dashboard, there are actually quite a few checks that run, and sometimes it gets slow. And to have a very stable system on the web interface side, they simply fixed those errors to have an ultra powerful system. So now, how do you update? Of course, I can click here, or I can also do it from my server. As for me, I actually use the Hermes web version, which is available on Hostinger. So I log in here. Be careful, you need to be on this interface, the one where it says Hermes Web. And here, actually, I can choose a server. I can pick KVM1 or KVM2. It all depends on the server power you want to purchase. For example, if I choose KVM1, I log in here and then I can simply get it for 2 years or for 1 year. So here I have the choice. And be aware, I can also use a discount coupon called GoHermesser. So this is a coupon that Hosting put on their blog. If you are, well, a first-time customer on Hostinger, meaning you're buying your first server, you can simply apply this coupon. I hope it still works. Indeed, less than 10%. So if it doesn't work, generally, if you're already logged in with Hostinger, you need to log out. It's a little trick to show that you're a new customer, kind of to throw off the system. Sorry, Hostinger, but people always want to take advantage of discounts. When you get this server, it will give you direct access to this interface. This is an interface where I can set preferences, I can add providers here like KVM, Kimi, as well as cloud, and also OpenAI, what we call LLMs, to run the system. So for me, the update, how do I do it? I go into the Hostinger back office where Hermes Web is installed. I simply come here to Manager and you'll find a little button called Update. So look, when I click here on update, what happens is actually the system will simply, right now it's loading. Of course, I log in with my account. And there you go. It actually starts the update. Generally, it won't change anything in my configurations or the environment. Everything I have on the server will remain functional. And after, let's say 2 to 3 minutes at most, I'll have the very latest version of Hermes installed on my server. So I wanted to make this short video to show you a bit about updating Hermes. The importance of always keeping things up to date is that almost every 2 or 3 days, you'll get new bug fixes. Sometimes we find bugs or important updates, especially when it comes to security or stability. But even small updates like this to lighten the system and make it even more stable are very important. Always remember to update your Hermes server and always consider checking out the Hermes web version, which is a very interesting version that allows you to have more advanced discussions, much more. You can handle it better than just using Telegram and WhatsApp. And there you go, the update has just been completed. So now I'm going to open Hermes and simply go to the configuration. We should find, there you go, the very latest version, either on the agent, which is version 0.12.8 and 0.52 for the web interface. And so the update has just been successfully completed.